How do I find a good personal injury lawyer to talk with? This is the second part of this series. Instead of looking at a number on a billboard, look at online reviews. I've got to say something first and foremost, and I really can't stress this point enough. Ignore every billboard lawyer. Full disclosure, I had a billboard at one time, and I didn't know anything about injury law then. Nowadays, most of my cases are referred to me by other lawyers, so I don't do that type of advertising. I call these lawyers billboard lawyers for a reason. A billboard lawyer is one that you see advertising all over town and on television and the internet. And there's a reason they spend all that money on advertising. Their past clients hate them. Need more convincing? Let me elaborate. So those billboards cost several $1,000s a piece. A television spot costs several $1,000s, just to make it. The big-time billboard lawyers spend millions of dollars each year in advertising. To be able to pay for that advertising, those billboard law firms need a flood of cases coming in the door, but more importantly, think about this, more importantly, those billboard law firms need just as many cases settling each month to pay the bills. More to the point, billboard lawyers need to spend as little as possible on each case. What does that mean for your case? The billboard lawyer is going to be financially incentivized, and more to the point, financially forced to sell your case for less than full and fair compensation. They're selling you. In addition, think about this logically. Think about the amount of money the law firm is spending on advertising compared to the amount of money and resources that law firm will have to put towards your case. The math just doesn't add up. So take that premise and think about the insurance companies. So these insurance companies have a perspective. Why offer full and fair compensation when you know the billboard lawyer will take less? In fact, the billboard lawyer has to take less. Insurance companies and defense lawyers that they hire, they love billboard lawyers because of how cheap they will settle cases. So once you've ruled out the billboard lawyer, where do you find an actual injury lawyer? I suggest online reviews on the internet. They're a great place to start. The internet has so much information. It's an amazing place. The information on the internet is virtually endless, and a simple search will result in hundreds of listings for law firms claiming to be personal injury lawyers. What I want you to do is select a law firm with at least a few dozen reviews. I want you to actually read the reviews for the law firm. Why? Why do I ask you to do that? For two reasons. First, see what past clients are saying about the law firm. Are they receiving positive reviews from past clients? Well, that's a good start, but drill down a little bit further. What specifically are past clients talking about? If it's not personal injury or related area, keep looking. You want to make sure that the reviews are about personal injury as opposed to family law or criminal or some other type of law. If the majority of the reviews are about some other practice area, that lawyer or law firm probably doesn't handle your type of case. Likely, that lawyer is claiming to be an injury lawyer to get injury cases and refer them out for a quick buck. Now, there isn't anything unethical or illegal about this referral practice. Like I said, most of my cases are referred to me by other lawyers. If you know a lawyer and want to help them make a buck, have them refer you to an injury lawyer. But unless you know that lawyer, unless you know, like, and trust that non-PI lawyer, I suggest finding the right lawyer from the start. So you might be asking yourself, what type of rating should I be looking for? Well, find 10 law firms or lawyers who have at least a dozen injury reviews. I would say 20 reviews is a safe number. More is preferable. These initial 10 law firms, narrow them down as you look into their reviews more, and you'll see what I mean. The more specific the reviews, the better. I want you to pay particular attention to the themes of the reviews. Are past clients saying this person is quick to answer a phone, great in the courtroom, a good negotiator? With legitimate personal injury law firms, compare these reviews to the attributes you want in your lawyer. While it would be great to base your decision entirely off internet reviews, I want you to dig a little deeper.